Hi, Donna Gallant again. Remember, I said I would show you what we did this week in class. So that's why I'm here today. Anyway, so we did line and wash in leaves and berries. So what I had the students do first of all was this, which was learning some of the things about our watercolor and our pen and ink. Well, we're actually using felt pen because it's a little bit less messy, so to say. Anyway, so I was showing things like watercolor crayons and watercolor pens and the such like that. And also, you know, that you can use several methods for this. So one is actually to draw it first and then to paint it on top afterwards. So here's one I did as a demonstration at LSCO a few weeks ago. And what I did is I drew it first, and then I put the felt pen on, and then I added the watercolor. Okay, so this application works really good. The other application, which is what we did with our berries this go around. What did I do with them now? Oh, they're on this sheet. Okay. And I sort of showed you that last week, which was this. Okay, so what we did was paint them first. Well, draw it first, then paint it, then add the pen and ink. And if you notice really close up, you can see how I've added the line in there to help with the contour of the berry. Okay, and then I had my students actually work from my life. And here is my leaf. Now, with this one, I did the lines first, and then I did the shading with pen and ink, and then I painted it. But I think I went a little heavy-handed on my shadow compared to this one. Now, of course, this one is much lighter, so it doesn't show it up as much as this one because the leaf was dark. So I should have been a little more sensitive to that. Anyway, so this week I had them continue on doing berries. So here's the berry I did, and they're snowberries. And I painted first and then drew the line. Okay. And then I sent them home with a project for them to draw and ink this page. And this week we'll paint it in. And then I'm hoping we have time to do one more piece. And I have a couple pieces here to select from. And one of them is this line and berries. Okay, now this one, the paint goes on first. And then I put the line on. Now this one I haven't put a line on. I've painted it again first before I add the line. So I add the line in class for them. Anyway, so they have that choice. I'm also doing another class this week, just leaves, over at LSCO. And we're going to do some fun projects with that, including taking our leaf, doing like Claudia did in her book. You take your leaf and you paint it with watercolor, then press it down on your paper. So look forward to seeing that next week. Okay, bye. Oh, press like.